It's power. The power to tackle the toughest job with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the best. It's versatility, being able to handle anything life throws your way, whether expected or unexpected. It's being prepared, day in and day out, around the house, on the job, or wherever your life takes you. With a Leatherman at your side, you're always ready. Portland, Oregon, in the shadow of the majestic Mount Hood. It's home to tall trees, endless rivers, and everything else the Pacific Northwest has to offer. It's a favorite with outdoor enthusiasts of all types. And since 1983, it has been the home of the Leatherman headquarters and manufacturing facility, where each quality Leatherman tool is designed and assembled.
It's fantastic to be part of a company that our consumers are so passionate about. It's really rewarding to come to work every day and get letters from people who can tell us stories about how Leatherman's saved their trip or even sometimes saved their lives.
The engineering department at Leatherman is a place where new and exciting products and features are being developed on a daily basis. Each new tool is the result of both user feedback and creative thinking on the part of Leatherman design engineers. Before a new product ever makes it to manufacturing, a prototype is developed in the model shop right here at Leatherman headquarters. After proving that the idea is a good one, the tool undergoes extensive testing to ensure that each feature will work under the most challenging circumstances. Many Leatherman tools include premium high-quality materials such as titanium, carbon fiber, anodized aluminum, and 154 cm or S30V steel.
The Leatherman is strong, it's durable, it has lots of features, has easy accessibility to the features. The workmanship is top-notch.
Leatherman products are a cut above the competition. From tools with all locking blades to prevent accidental closure, to cross-cut and diamond-coated files that cover the full length and width of the blade, to professional quality accessories that make the Leatherman the most versatile tool in the world. The blade exchanger system on the Surge model allows you to swap between the saw blade and the file, or any other T-shank style blade you desire. Bit drivers on many of the multi-tools and knives give you the flexibility to utilize not only the optional bit kits, but with the bit adapter, you can use any standard hex bit made today. Many of the features on a Leatherman are accessible even without opening the tool. Knives, files, saws, and more are on the outside of tools such as the Charge, Wave, and Skeletool. Knife blades can be opened, released from their locked position, and closed using just one hand. Leatherman tools are known for their compact size as well. No other multi-tool packs this many features into such a small, lightweight product. But compact doesn't mean compromise. The tools in a Leatherman are some of the largest you will find in a multi-tool anywhere.
Any Leatherman tool that's similar size to a competitive product, when you unfold it, it's going to have substantially larger tools in it than competitive products. It's more densely packed with features than competitive products.
The features use the maximum amount of space available and include long knives, large screwdrivers, powerful scissors, and more. They are user-friendly, with comfortable handles and great options for taking them with you everywhere you go. Best of all, they are durable. Leatherman tools are so well made that the wire cutters are able to cut paper cleanly, even after cutting a 16-penny nail in half. This particular tool has been used to cut nearly 100 nails in its lifetime, and still it performs perfectly. That's the quality you want in a multi-tool, and that is the Leatherman difference. Leatherman tools enjoy popularity not only in the United States, but in more than 80 countries worldwide. It didn't start out that way, however. In fact, there was a time when no one was interested in the multi-tool.
The knife companies said, this isn't a knife, this is a tool. So then I went to the tool companies. They said, sorry, This is not a tool, this is a gadget.
The year was 1975, when on a trip across Europe with his wife, a young Tim Leatherman found himself often needing more than just a basic scout knife he carried. While attempting to fix leaky plumbing in hotel rooms and a troublesome Fiat, Tim had the idea for a compact set of tools. Using cardboard, he laid out his design for what he would call a multi-tool. Once back home, Tim built the first prototype of the tool in his garage. It was enough to show the basic idea, and Tim set off to sell his concept to the highest bidder.
I was pretty sure once I developed my prototype that the sale would be very easy. But all I would have to do is go to a knife company and show them my prototype and evidence that I had a patent on file, and they would buy it and pay me $1 million, and I'd sit back and live happily ever after.
But with no takers, Tim had no choice but to try to manufacture and sell the multi-tool on his own. After much trial and error, in 1983, a mail-order company finally agreed to sell his product. He prepared to build as many as 4,000 tools, but in the first year alone, more than 30,000 orders were placed. Leatherman Tool Group was in business. Today, Leatherman continues to create new and innovative products, always with the goal of giving the consumer a tool that is convenient to carry, easy to use, and ready to handle anything. The 90,000 square foot Leatherman factory in Portland, Oregon produces over 1 million tools each year and ships product to retail outlets in more than 80 countries. The 200-step manufacturing process begins with raw steel. 800-pound rolls feed the press, which punches out individual parts such as these tool handles. The punch press is used to form knife blades, screwdrivers, scissors, saws, and nearly every other component that makes up a Leatherman. Parts that cannot be handled by the punch press include forged components, such as these pruners, which go through a horizontal milling process to get their shape, and premium knife blades such as those made out of S30V steel, which are so strong they must be cut out using a laser cutter. After heat treatment to strengthen the steel, the pieces are placed in tumblers filled with ceramic beads to polish and deburr the edges. A magnet separates them from the ceramic when they're finished and collects them once again for transport to the next stop on the production line. The mass finish area is where tool components are given their final touches. Saws get their teeth in a two-step process. Knives are hollow ground and sharpened. And pliers get their silky, smooth finish from one of 3 precision robots. It all comes together finally in the assembly area, where every Leatherman product is put together by hand. The workers here turn out 12,000 tools in an average day, an impressive number, especially considering the stringent quality control measures that require every tool and knife to be thoroughly inspected. In recent years, Leatherman Tool Group has been striving to maximize the efficiency of the factory, while at the same time maintaining the high standard that customers have come to expect of a Leatherman. The company has implemented environmentally friendly processes and packaging in keeping with their love for the great outdoors. And with their quality and innovation, Leatherman will continue to lead the industry for many years to come.